Anjena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Madhavaktaya Namo. Vancha Kalvasya Kripa Sindhu Bhayeva Cha Patitanam Pavanebho Vaishnavebho Namo. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta-vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. By the Padres Marshal of Guru and Gauranga, now we have come on the bank of Radha Kunda. Srimati Radhika is our Ishta Devi, worshipful deity. Raghunath Das Goswami, in his unprecedented book Manasiksha, explained Madisa Ante Madhurya Chandra Brajavane Sari. Madisa, my mistress, Srimati Radhika. Raghunath Das Goswami, he performed bhajan sadhan only on the bank of Radha Kunda. Because this Radha Kunda is not different from Srimati Radhika. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, Radhar Mahima Jani, Kundir Mahima Jani, Radhar Mahima. The glories of Kunda, that is not different from Srimati Radhika. There are so many villas on the bank about manifestation of Radha Kunda. राधा कुंड के उत्पत्ति के संबंध में अनेकों लीलाएं तथा हमारे आचार्य पाद बनाए हैं. Once Radha and Krishna and Gopis, they were performing sweet leela in this place. This place is called Arid Gama. Arid Gama means that where Krishna he killed the one demon Aristasur. For this regard, this place is called Arid Gaon. Arid Gaon में आसिया प्रभु करिलो उद्दंड नित्य. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu arrived in this place and he danced in ecstatic mode. That time, no one knew where is the Radha Kunda and where is the Krishna Kunda. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked one very old person, villager, where is the Radha Kunda and Sam Kunda. Villagers, the old villager, he told, we don't know where is the Radha Kunda and Sam Kunda, but here is the one, the paddy field is there. And paddy field, rice field. In this rice field, there are two small ponds is there. One is called Kali Khet, another is called Gauri Khet. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took bath in the Gauri Khet, and he declared, this is called Radha Kunda. Bolo Radha Kunda ki jai. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took bath in the Kali Khet, and he declared, this is called Shama Kunda. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested Radha Kunda and Sham Kunda. But in Dapar Yug, Krishna also performed sweet leela. In our Puranas, Ved Purana, Upanishad also explain how Radha Kunda and Sam Kunda manifested. Though these kundas are eternal and transcendental, nitya evam aprakita. But according to Krishna Leela, just manifest this Leela. Once Krishna, he was performing sweet Leela with the gopis. That time one demon, his name was Aristasur. That demon, he manifested the form of one gigantic bull. And he disturbed the Brajavasis. And that time all Brajavasis, they called out to Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Mahabahu. Hey Krishna, where are you? Now the Aristasur, the demon Aristasur, he disturbed to us. That time Krishna, he left the gopis and he came and killed the demon Aristasur. And when Krishna returned back in front of the gopis, they joked and laughed with Krishna, told Krishna, you killed cow. So already your body contaminated with the sinful activities of killing the cows. Gohapta ke paap tumhare lag gaye. Then Krishna told, I did not kill the cows. I killed the demons who manifested in the form of bull, cow. But Gopi told, anyhow, you killed the cow. So your body completely contaminated with the sinful activities of killing the cow. गोहत्या के पाप के द्वारा तुम्हारे शरीर दूषित हो गया है. For this regard, we don't want to meet with you. Then Krishna very humble told, so how will I purify my heart and free from the killing the sinful activities of the cow? That time gopis they told, you have to take bath all the holy rivers and holy places. Then you will be free from the sinful activities of the killing the cow. Then Krishna just with his, what is it called? Person, with his, what is it called? Anko. And he made one very nice, beautiful and kunda. And then there is no water. Then Krishna just he remembered all the holy rivers, holy ponds, and all the holy rivers and holy ponds. They came and they give their identity. I am Narmada, Kaveri, Sindhu. All they are giving their name and fill up the kunda and with their water. Then Krishna took bath in that the kunda. And for this regard, that kunda is called Krishna kunda or Sama kunda. Then Krishna told the gopis, now you can also take bath in our kunda. Gopis told no. Especially Srimati Radhika, she told, I can make my own kunda. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she made one very nice, beautiful kunda with her, what is it called? Bracelet. And very nice, beautiful pond. That is called Golakar. Then Krishna told, you can take water from me. But no. That time Srimati Radhika with her gopis, they told, we have to fill up this pond with the water from Manasi Ganga. Then Srimati Radhika, she took the clay pot with her gopis and fetching water from Manasi Ganga. Then all the holy rivers and holy pond manifested their beautiful form and completely surrendered to the feet of Srimati Radhika. And they recited this verse, Hey Srimati Radhike, please give us the service to fulfill your kunda with our water. And they recited this verse, Manindra Vendra Bandhite Tilakaso Kaharini Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaje Nikunja Bhuvilasini Brajendra Vanu Nandini Brajendra Sunu Sangate Sadakari Sasiyamang Kripakatacha Vajanam Madan Madadi Jauvane Pramadamana Mandite Priyanuraga Ranjite Kalabilasa Pandite Ananadana Pangarajya Kamake Likovide Akari Sasiyamang Kripakatacha Vajanam Anantakoti Vishnu Lokanam Prapadmajarjite Himadrija Pulo Maja Virin Saja Varapra Apara Siddhi Riddhi Diddhi Satpadanguli Naki Kadakari Sasiyamang Kripakatakshavan. In this way, all the holy rivers, they manifested their form and they prayed their obeisances, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika is very pleased with them, and all the holy rivers, they gave their own identity and fill up the water, fill up that kunda and with their water. That is called Radha Kunda. Then all the Sakhis, they took part in this Kunda. Then Krishna is very tricky. Krishna made one hole, Radha Kunda and Sam Kunda, with his flute. That is called Sangam Stali, meeting of Radha Kunda and Sam Kunda. You will go, that is called the Sangam Stali. Sangam is joined meeting. Then Krishna Kunda's water enter in Radha Kunda, and Radha Kunda's water enter in Sama Kunda. So that now means Radha Kunda or Sama Kunda manifested in one, that is called Sachinandan Gaur Hari Ki. Radha Krishna Milita Tonu. The combined form of Radha and Krishna, that is called Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So now we have come on the bank of Radha Kunda. Especially our Raghunath Das Goswami's Bhajan Stali is here, and also Samadhi Mandir. Raghunath Das Goswami, he performed Bhajan Sadhan only on the bank of Radha Kunda. Others Goswami, they perform Bhajan Sadhan different place of Vrindavan. But Raghunath Das Goswami, he performed Bhajan Sadhan only on the bank of Radha Kunda and Radhaika Nishtha. Because Raghunath Das Goswami, he is giving the example to us. If you want to be Manjari, you have to one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radhika dasi jadi hai abhiman sigrahe milay tabe gokula kan. If you desire to become the maid servant Srimati Radhika, then automatically you will attain to Krishna. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he wrote one verse, how to attain the highest frame, Radha Dasam. Because Gurudev told, Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are only one aim and object, that is called how to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, the Radha Dasam. So you have to follow the three principles, not many. How many? Three. What is that? Anaradha Radha Padambu Jarenu Anasritta Binda Atavi Tatpadankam Asambhasya Tadabhavu Gambhira Chittam Kutasama Sindhu Rasasavagaho. If you want to submerge in the ocean of that divine love of Radha and Krishna, that is Sama Sindhu. Samras means Singaras, conjugal mood. You have to follow the three principles. First, you have to on pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radha Meri Samini, Main Radhin Kudas, Janam Janam Moidiyo, Vrindavan Kubas. Second, you have to stay in Braj. Krishnan Braje Kadanu Ragi Jananu Gami Kalang Nae Dakilam Itta Upadesa Saram. You have to stay in Braj. But Braj in here, where Radha and Krishna perform sweet amorous pastime. But there are so many places in Braj, Radha Krishna, they perform sweet amorous pastime. But specifically you have to stay on the bank of Radha Kunda. And especially you have Srimati Radhika, she perform her sweet amorous pastimes. That place you have to stay. Just like Seva Kunja, Nidhuvan, Nikunjavan, Radha Kunda, Sama Kunda, Kokilavan, Javat. This place is called Radha Adipatya Bhumi. And topmost place that is called Radha Kunda. Topmost place. Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri. Tatrapi Rasotsava Vindarana Madravani Govardhanath. In this part, Raghunath Das Goswami explains. Topmost place that is called Radha Kunda. And second, if you not physically stay in Radha Kunda, but you have to stay in Radha Kunda with your mind. How will you stay in Radha Kunda with your mind? Always remembering Raghunath Das Goswami's in slokas of Bilap Kusumanjali. This is very important. Tabai vasmi, na jivami taya vina, इति विज्ञाय ते राधे संगनयामि चरणान्तिके। हा देवी काकुभर गद गद यद्वाच जाचिनी पत्तिभुवि दण्डवदुर्भटार्ति अस्य प्रसादम् अमृतस्य जनस्य कृत्वा गंधर्विके निजगणे गणनां विदेहि। Always pray to Srimati Radhika. Hey Srimati Radhika, just you write my name on your list. Huh? Understand? All you think, hey Srimati Radhika, just you write my name on your list. Huh? If your name not on the list, if your not name on the list, so no one call out to you. Huh? Understand? Sometimes only, Gurudev, you are not on the list, so I did not wait for you. Huh? Understand? So, if your name on the list of Srimati Radhika, one day Srimati Radhika must be call you. Bolo Radha Rani ki. Or third condition, always associate with high class, exalted, bona fide, Braj Rasik, Sadhu and Guru. One point. If you go here and there, then Srimati Radhika, she will not accept you. Only one pointed with Srimati Radhika, one pointed with Rasika Vaishnava and listen Hari Katha. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he went this way. So there are so many kathas, there Radha Kunda's kathas cannot stop, this is true. But we have to go also. Time is over. So many kathas in Radha Kunda. Raghunath Das Goswami, how did he perform hard austerity on the bank of Radha Kunda? Raghunath Das Goswami, he performed bhajan sadhan on the bank of Radha Kunda. No any shade, completely here, open. The rays of sun burned his body. But still Raghunath Das Goswami chanted holy name. Then one Srimati Radhika, she came and she also made the shade over his head. Raghunath Das Goswami, Sanatana Goswami Pad, he noticed this. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad told Raghunath, you have come here bhajan and sadhan. What is your aim and object? Raghunath Das Goswami simply he told, I want to serve to Srimati Radhika. But Sanatana Goswami Pad told, today I saw Srimati Radhika, she made the shade with a sari over your head. So you should make one small hut and stay in there. According to the instruction of Sanatana Goswami Pad and Rupa Goswami Pad, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, he was staying in one small cottage and do bhajan and sadhan. Raghunath Das Goswami renunciation, you cannot explain or do any words. Raghunath Vairagya Jana Pasane Rekha. Raghunath Das Goswami renunciation as like on the one line but scratch on the stone. Raghunath Das Goswami Vairagya. Some of these but Raghunath Das Goswami very humble, he is saying, Vairagya Yug Bhakti Rasang Prajatani Apayanamam Anabhipswandham Kripam Buddhija Paradukadukhi Sanatanastam Prabhumasrami. Raghunath Das Goswami very humble, he is saying, I have no Vairagya, no Bhakti Yoga. But Sanatana Goswami Pad, mercifully, by force, he also gave me Braj Raganuga Bhakti. This is his humility, humbleness. Day and night Raghunath Das Goswami chanted holy name and remembering Srimati Radhika and crying. Once Krishna came, Krishna told, hey Raghunath Das Goswami, my heart completely melted with your hard austerity. So I can give blessing to you. Raghunath Das Goswami told, hey Bakari Krishna, I have no need your blessing. If Srimati Radhika will not give blessing to me, I have no need your blessing. Asa bhari amrita sindhu mai kathanchit kalu mayati chaltan gamprati sampratangi तंचित भूमिकवांग विदहस्त नहीं वकिंग में कीमा बरुजु बरात बतारी नाती रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी told, हे बतारी कृष्ण, हे बतारी कृष्ण, I have no need your mercy. Need is what? Srimati Radhika. If Radhika will not give mercy, so what is the meaning of the mercy of Krishna? Radha kripa hi kevalam. And how to one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Bolo Radha Rani ki jai, jai Shri Ram. Now we are going to Parikrama and we will go Radha Kunda and do Achman and Pujan. Sampun Radha Kunda. Good Premanande. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड की श्री राज महाराज की जय जय श्री राम जय जय श्री राम।